Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix Windows 10 11 activation error 0xC004F213 Windows is not activated. So let's start. Well, first let's go to our taskbar. Then just you have to write activation settings. In my case, my computer is in Spanish, but in your case, if it's in English, just you have to write activation settings. Okay, so when you write it, just click there in this option that says activation settings windows. So just click there, and appears this window. So in my case, everything is working. There is no any problem, but if you appear the error here, you have to click on troubleshooting. So you have to fix it. You will click there, and then appears the option about change your computer. So you have to change it, and that's it. So that's how you can fix it. Remember, here appears the option. It's like this one blue one, but instead of this says fix troubleshooting, and then you have to fix it. That's how we can fix the error that appears here on Windows. And in that way, you can fix it and then start working normally. So I hope this information helps you. Please write on the comments if you have doubts, and if you want more videos like this, just subscribe to our channel.